I want to talk about frequently asked questions about my less than or equal to project. Most likely I get a lot of emails or messages asking me about things related to paintings or the project itself. And one of them is, for example, what is a canvas paper? Well, canvas paper is a paper that I can use and paint with oils. It's designed the way that artists can apply oil paints and oil mediums on the paper surface without destroying paper. And you can see like an example on the back. I used oil painting on quite a bit of medium or like a very liquid medium, and as you can see, nothing goes through. So that way the paint and the painting surface is protected and can last for a really long time. The same here, you see it's a white surface and with lots of things on the painting surface, and it's a safe surface to use oils on, and personally I really like it. That's something that's the paper. I think I've been using this paper for over 10 years and I didn't have any trouble with it so far, so I kind of like it for that reason. And it's also a really good paper for very small and tiny pieces, and allows to work fast. And as you can see, I can be pretty rough with the surface, scraping, adding, removing, and all that things can last on the paper without damaging the back surface of it. Nothing goes really through, so that's the reason why I use it. And if you want to know more information, you can always Google that, and you will get specific notes and info about it.